Nestled on a picturesque 5.02-acre lot in Roca, Nebraska, 12500 South 82nd Place offers an exceptional blend of spacious, living, and versatile amenities. This expansive 5,828 square foot residence features 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, providing ample space for both family living and entertaining. Main residence highlights: open concept living. The main floor boasts a bright living room that seamlessly connects to a well-equipped kitchen, featuring a 10-foot island, ample cabinetry, and a cozy dining area. Large windows throughout ensure an abundance of natural light. Primary suite. Located on the main level, the spacious primary bedroom offers a private retreat with an ensuite bathroom, providing comfort and convenience. Additional bedrooms. 4 generously sized bedrooms are situated on the upper level, accommodating family members or guests with ease. Unique features. Separate apartment. A fully functional apartment is located above the main living area, complete with a separate entrance. This space is ideal for extended family, guests, or potential rental income. Outdoor recreation. The expansive property includes a built-in track that winds through the land, perfect for motocross, four-wheeling, or mountain biking enthusiasts. Ample parking. A 4-car attached garage provides plenty of space for vehicles and storage needs. Location and community. Situated on the southeast edge of Lincoln, this property offers the tranquility of country living with the convenience of nearby city amenities. Located within the Norris School District, it ensures access to quality education. Priced at $699,900, 12500 South 82nd Place presents a unique opportunity to own a versatile property that caters to a variety of lifestyle needs. Whether you're seeking a spacious family home, a place to entertain guests, or a property with rental potential, this residence offers it all in a serene Nebraska setting.